back to my channel. So we are here at the gas station waiting for my husband to get back in the car. There he is. He's got some hot Cheetos. So anyways, we're gonna go to the museums. He got me some hot Cheetos.
And a Coke.
It's not supposed to be giving me Coke. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go to the museum, so stay tuned. Bye, guys. I have to drive, so I'll see you guys when we get there. It's what?
Dinner. Instead of DNA. DNA. Dinner.
It's Dana.
How long are your eyelashes? Do you have freckles?
That's how you start it out.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yeah, this is supposed to be your sense of smell.
I can't. They're working, but you can't smell them.
Cinnamon,
Trey, smell it.
lemon,
Smell the blue one.
That one
Blue
smells
one's
like
your favorite
pine.
color.
barbecue,
Oh, rose, yeah. Something like that.
cut grass. It smells kind of like cinnamon, but then very light.
Nah, this one's cinnamon. The first one's cinnamon.
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. Well, then this one, the blue one's cut grass.
Oh, those are the smells.
Rose, cut grass, barbecue, lemon, and cinnamon. Nothing.
Nothing, Marie?
Oh, that one does smell like cinnamon.
That one works. The first one smells like
Yeah, I don't know what this is. It's lemon.
Then you got the brain back here.
Yeah, I got a bit.
Not the actual brain, the brain of the family.
That one's like the little screen zone something.
What is this? Hearing aids?
Like that little dude from The Hobbit. He has one of them.
He's all, what? What?
I'm pretty sure a lot of them have.
Come on, Jay, how loud can you scream? Go on there. Go.
Can I just go?
1, 2. Oh my god, it went to like 104.5.
Not bad.
Okay, go. You don't want to go through the intestine? So she's just gonna act like she didn't hear me.
No, I'm just
Oh, it's
watching.
because you're too old for that now?
No, I'm watching.
Are you too old for that?
I'm watching something.
Oh, now
I'm
you want
too
to be
old
there
for
and watch and be
crawling.
educational and stuff?
I'm too old for crawling.
Sir, that's the exit. Alright, let's go. It's hot. And I'm always the last one. I'm over here sweating. Okay, we'll see if we can record inside because it's always so packed.
You know why you're always last, right?
Because I'm fat.
Because you're so extra slow.
So he thinks he's cute and he thinks he has jokes. Look at his long line. Smile. Stay happy. Okay, do you want to smile? She left these little sweet notes. What's wrong with you? Right, let me see your cool little band that you made.
It's mine in my
Let me see
pocket.
yours. started raining.
I got $2.
Sprinkling. Your cool little wristband. Woo. The ice cream truck's back there.
Oh yeah, $2. Nothing more. Except for my finger.
Trying to steal a bike.
Let's go.
Look, it's dry over here and look, it's raining coming down hard like
What? OMG. Y'all hear that? Okay. We just got soaking wet.
Like my new hairstyle.
Look. Luckily you don't have no hair. Look at this.
Yeah.
And hopefully we don't get sick.
I lost my bracelet. It fell off.
So we finally got home and look at this. Wow. It's all poop.